Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, October 30th, 2015, the day before Halloween. I hope everyone's got their costumes ready. It looks like it's going to be an absolutely beautiful day for all you trick-or-treaters out there, ghouls, ghosts, and goblins. So let's dive into this forecast. So this morning we have temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 40s over the interior and some of your suburbs and mid to upper 40s in your urban areas. Winds are from the west and northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. These winds will shift to the north later on this afternoon on through this evening at around 10 to 20 miles per hour, so expect some breezy weather conditions for this afternoon. But then thereafter tonight, those winds will subside around 5 miles per hour, and it's going to allow those temperatures to crash into the 30s and 40s by tomorrow morning. On our latest surface map, not much really going on. We have another cold front that is going to be approaching the region for today. This is basically a wind shift line. It's going to take those winds from the west and southwest and turn them to the north. All the lifting with this low pressure system is well north into Canada, well up here. So we really don't have any threat from precipitation from this cold front. High pressure will be in control over the next 48 hours, followed by another cold front on Sunday that may produce an isolated shower or two, but most locations will remain dry. One thing's for sure, Sunday will be much warmer than tomorrow. When we take a look at the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see not much really going on. Clear skies basically from New Jersey all the way to Iowa. So obviously not much in the way of weather going on throughout the region. So let's dive into the forecast. For today, high pressure will be in control. We'll watch that little cold front move through the region. Look for temperatures to rise into the upper 50s to lower 60s. This evening, high pressure will approach the region. Now with the high pressure system here, you get that northerly wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. But by the time we get to midnight, that high pressure system is basically right over the region, which will allow winds to die off, skies to clear, and by tomorrow morning, with high pressure right over the northern mid-Atlantic, look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the interior and over your suburbs. However, along the coast and in your urban areas, look for low temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. High temperatures will rebound into the mid 50s. So when you're out there getting your candy and doing your tricks, bring a little bit of a hoodie with you, or maybe a jacket if you get a little chilly in the evening hours tomorrow. On Sunday, a cold front will approach the region. Now again, this cold front is going to be very, very weak. It's going to be collapsing as it's moving through the region. Look for an isolated shower threat if that, but most locations will remain dry. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 40s, high temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Then, for the rest of the week, high pressure is basically in control from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even Friday is completely in control. The next threat we have for rainfall will be with this cold front on late Friday night on through Saturday, and it'll be a slow moving cold front at that. So next weekend, at least the start of next weekend, may be a bit wet. But the cool thing with this high pressure system is that we are going to be on the backside of the high pressure system. So that means a southwesterly wind and temperatures well above normal. On Monday, look for temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast, with high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Above normal, but, not too bad. But then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday will feature low temperatures in the upper 40s to mid 50s. A few upper 50s are possible in some of your urban areas. Those are your lows. That's where we should kind of be for highs. High temperatures through this period will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s throughout much of your urban areas in Philadelphia and New York City, and along the immediate coast and in some far northern suburbs, you'll have temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. We should be in the mid to upper 50s for this time of year. So it's going to be absolutely beautiful throughout this upcoming week with spring-like temperatures. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.